Hi everyone! Time to talk about the Microsoft updates from February 2025 and the trouble they've caused many users. First, the forced Windows 1124 H2 update. Microsoft is pushing it aggressively, and users can only pause it temporarily. No permanent blocking is possible. This has frustrated many users, as they have no control over their own devices. Then the new Outlook app. It's being installed on Windows 10 PCs without users' consent and replaces the old mail and calendar apps. Understandably, this has upset many people. Let's talk about Edge. Microsoft removed a support page about uninstalling Edge, which wasn't very helpful anyway. Even worse, Edge reinstalls itself after users delete it, possibly through Windows updates. EU regulations? Microsoft seems to be ignoring them. Another big issue. Patch Tuesday brought fixes for around 70 security vulnerabilities, including 4 zero-day exploits. Important ones are CVE 2025-2-1391 and CVE 2025-2-1418, both of which allow for privilege escalation, and CVE 2025-2-1376, which allows for remote code execution. If you recently downloaded installation media, watch out. Due to update problems, a complete Windows reinstallation might be necessary. Ouch! Oh, and Microsoft is charging for formerly free tools like Paint and Notepad. Yes, you heard that right. These essential apps might now cost something. Finally, extensive changes in Microsoft 365, including a price increase due to the new Copilot AI feature, which nobody wants because nobody wants to be spied on by Copilot. There is a classic option without AI, but getting and installing it is probably also a problematic undertaking, and then nobody knows how long it will last. Well, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates and tips, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. See you soon.